This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Jennifer Scates. This charming 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in a gated community offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and convenience. The open floor plan creates a spacious feel, seamlessly connecting the living, dining, and kitchen areas. Ideal for those who appreciate cozy living with a functional layout, this condo is located in a prime area, offering easy access to shopping, dining, and major highways. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a home close to the city's vibrant offerings, this condo is an opportunity you won't want to miss. Make it yours today. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer Scates at 865-584-4000.